Here's this clamp. It's an 8-inch 200mm heavy-duty ratcheting bar clamp. Push button to release and slide jaw. Okay, so the tool itself looks like this. It has a metal portion which is running from the left to the right. The rest is plastic, and it can be used to squeeze or to set things apart. So it's mentioned here, push button to release and slide. So this is the button that you should press in order to move this part to the left. So press this one like so, and then it opens. And to close it, you just need to pull the trigger, and it's slowly moving to the left, and then it squeezes, something like that. 200mm or 8-inch, which is mentioned here, is the distance, the maximum distance till which it's opening. It has these rubber pads here for grip, and it's solid plastic. By the way, some of them, smaller ones, have this portion with holes in it, and that's pretty bad because otherwise this portion, this plastic, will bend. So when you're squeezing, this portion will bend to the exterior, and that's bad. So if this portion is solid plastic, not with holes and cuts, then it's better. So it can squeeze, and it can also set things apart, push objects apart. That has to be done by removing this end and placing it onto the other end. Let's see that one. So it has this nut. Remove that one. Screw. The nut is on the other side. And there's the nut. Okay, just pull it off like so. You can move that there and push this onto the other end. There's a nut and the same thing on the other side. So let's put it there. The nut goes through this one. Put it to the hole. Insert this one. And now it will push objects apart. So when I'm moving this, it goes to the left. So to come back, just push this button, and then it will come back. This is a solid bar. There's no hole in it. This portion is also solid plastic.